Hello friends, I am Priti and welcome to our channel Crazy for DIY. Today we are going to learn a greeting card cum mini photo album. So this one is called twist and pop-up card because that's how it functions. But we are going to make an album out of it. So let's get started. So in order to make this card, we'll require 3 strips of paper of any color of your choice. Dimension of first strip of paper should be 30 by 10 centimeters. Second one will be 26 by 9 centimeters. And third strip would be 20 by 9 centimeters. For the better understanding of the measurements and the folds, I'll be inserting slides in the video itself as we work on them. We'll start with the third strip of paper. So the dimension of this paper is 20 by 9 centimeters. First we'll be folding it into half, like this. And then we'll reverse the paper and mark 5.5 centimeters from all the 4 corners. Now we'll make score lines from this point to this one and this point to this one. And now we'll fold it like so. And it is ready. This is basically the hidden mechanism through which our card twists and pops up. Now we'll take the second strip of paper. This one is 26 by 9 centimeters. All we need to do is divide this strip in 4 equal parts. So first I'll fold it into half. And then further fold this flap like this. And now we'll flip it and fold this flap too. And our pop-up is ready. Now we take our last strip of paper, which is 30 by 10 centimeters. We just need to fold this into 2 like this. And that's the base of our card. Now we need to mark the midpoint of this line. Since this is 10 centimeters, we'll mark the midpoint at 5 centimeters. Now we have to paste the mechanism card like so, but before that we'll decorate the base. I've taken cutouts of 2 designer paper and we'll paste them to our base. Now we shall attach this to the card. First we apply the glue to the one side of the triangle and place it exactly in the midpoint. Now apply glue to the other side of the triangle and close the base card. And this is ready. Now we need to attach the pop-up to this base. We need to place the center of this card to the midpoint of the base. And now we'll glue only the shaded area. Similarly, we'll glue the other side, only the shaded area. And we will carefully close our card. And it's ready. Now to make the album, I have made 3 more similar cards. And we'll glue them overlapping each other. Now we let it dry for 30 minutes. Our album is ready. I have taken this cutout for the cover. And I'm going to give this card to my dad on Father's Day, which is next week. So I have few photographs and quotes that I'll stick on the pop-ups. I also wrote Happy Father's Day and I'll paste it on the cover. You can decorate the card as per your wish. And it's ready. This is a very simple and beautiful idea which can be used for gifting on all occasions and is perfect for this Father's Day as it takes our dad down to the memory lane. So do like this video, share your feedbacks, share this idea with your friends and family. and subscribe our channel. See you guys next week. Till then, do it yourself. For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos, and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Krazzy for DIY.